It is not the accent. Firstly, you should try to improve the vocabulary, the suitable word, appropriate word. You can't say somebody when he has grown up and he is wearing old pant, and you can't say why your pant is less. I have heard that people were afraid of Kapil Dev's English, but today you see the kind of commentary he conducts. You see Navjot Singh Sidhu, Harbhajan Singh. I started learning my English from 6th standard. In Haryana board, the English was taught from 6th onwards. Basically, you should know the meaning and then write. If you want to speak well, you have to write. If you write well, you will be able to speak well. After some time, even you will be able to take out your tongue twisters also. A very common problem among lot of candidates is regarding the English speaking. And let me tell you, if there is a problem with speaking, there is a problem with writing also. There is a problem with understanding also. When you don't understand correctly, whatever reply you may give, whatever kind of respect or etiquettes you may show, but your answer will not be that suitable. It will not be appropriate. Let me tell you, if you have got collection of approximately 150 words, you can become too good in speaking to start with. So, first take out a fear that English is difficult. It is not. I have seen a lot of people, lot of my friends who came from various state boards, including myself. I also studied in Haryana Education Board, where English, the capital and small ABCDs in those days were started from 6th class onward, let me tell you. But you see, I have seen some of my friends, it is very difficult, it is really treat watching them how they speak. Even the best of the speakers, they try to copy them. And mind it, they learnt ABCD after 6th standard, from 6th standard onwards. So, we will cover this subject in slight detail. Sometimes there may be repetition, but that will be at the cost of making you understand things. First and foremost thing, you can write down from my side the 4 core skills of learning English, that is reading, writing, speaking and listening. All these are important, and don't dilute the last one, listening. Let me tell you, this listening is very important, as a lot of people only believe in speaking. Cut down that habit. Listen to others. When you listen good word, good accent, in a good style, with crest and troughs in the speech, you will automatically improve. Nothing can stop you. So first start reading. When you start reading, why not to start with newspaper? Reading newspaper will give you an extra advantage, so that you will be able to read about the current affairs and the latest information of the world. And when you read, my advice to you people, why don't you write 5 words of which you do not know the correct or appropriate meaning? Then make a register. For these 5 words, for every word, write down the word, then its meaning, its synonyms, antonyms, and then use it in sentence. You will see, while writing synonyms, antonyms, and using it in a sentence, in an appropriate manner, in an appropriate form of verb, you will see it will create a miracle for you. You will have a bank of at least, let me say, 1,000 words in next 6 months. Good enough, let me tell you. With this 1,000 words, you can play around with English, but do it religiously. Then, after reading comes the writing. For student of your level, start making notes on current affairs. Start writing stories, SRTs, VAT, and why not to write a suitable, make a suitable diary entry. Diary entry is very important. You will be able to write correct words, and every week you will find an improvement in yourself. I am not missing my words. These are the time tested trials which have been carried out, and these are the experiences of successful people. And diary entry is the easiest. You will be able to make yourself light also sometime when you have got so many ideas and so many botheration behind your mind. Diary writing makes you happy, and sometime you can always refer back to your experience in your diary. So after reading, writing, now comes speaking. This is the biggest hurdle. People generally are able to cross first two hurdles, reading and writing. Reading is compulsion, writing is again a compulsion. Either you have to appear in an exam or you have to pass a particular test. Now comes the speaking, which will be helpful to you in any kind of interview, and for that matter in SSB certainly. So start speaking simple sentences. When you listen to a particular news, try to repeat that. And in this, make a group of 4 or 5 friends who are interested in learning this, who are good in studies also, who have got the same kind of aim which you have got. Speak to them in school or college in English. And same practice you should continue in your house with your cousins, mother, brother, father, sister. और इन दोनों जगह में बेइज्जती होने का डर नहीं है, क्योंकि सबका लेवल बराबर है. Nobody is going to disclose your shortcomings. So, record your speech. These days, every one of you have got a mobile where you can record your speech. Record your speech, listen to your speech. Ask your friends, ask your cousins to point out your shortcomings, and don't feel bad when they point you out. Everybody has got different style. Somebody may not be that courteous, but yes, you must welcome the suggestion or the shortcomings they are highlighting about you. Another thing, stand in front of a mirror in your room or in your bathroom. Deliver your speech. Deliver your speech. You can see your facial expression. You can see movement of your limbs, whether they were suitable, whether your movement of your limbs was appropriate or not. When you stand in front of mirror, it will tell you how confident you are. It will tell you whether your cheek muscles have got some shivering or whether your shin is shivering. It will be indication of your confidence. It will give you indication about your appropriate knowledge about that subject. Participate in a stage event where you are able to speak something. As a student, you should participate in poetry recitation, declamation, debate, quiz contest. You will surely improve. Why not to participate in dramatics? You will be able to remember, rehearse and speak well, and also act well. This is an additional thing you will learn. Why not in any annual function you should be MC? Start from a shorter level, smaller level of your class or your section. You will improve. And now again I will come back to the fourth thing, that is listening. Gentlemen, let me tell you, listening is an art. Don't say it is a patience. It is an art when you listen to somebody carefully, when you note down the movements, accent, pronunciation. It is an art. Do that. Listening will make you a better human. You will be able to register more ideas. These are fantastic things. Try to adopt it. And maximum, I am telling you, 3 months, you will become an outstanding speaker of English. English has already borrowed words from Hindi, Urdu, Portuguese, Persian, so many things. So, sometimes you will find yourself at home. We have already started speaking pariksha as exams. Now we don't say abhibhavak, which is a Hindi word. We always say, as a guardian, I have gone to the school. We have stopped saying Vidyalaya and Vidyarthi. We have already come to a stage where we say school and examinee. We have stopped, half of India has stopped saying Adhyapak. We always say teacher ne kya bola hai. They are all English words. Everybody in the households call almari. It has come from Almira. Almira is a Portuguese word which has been adopted by English. And now it has come to Hindi also. And a very famous word I see, I don't know who has borrowed from whom, whether English from Hindi or from Hindi to English. Dacoits and dacat. So close. Don't be afraid. You may be expert in Punjabi. You may be a Haryana speaker or a Rajasthani speaker. Surely your accent of your native language may come, but after a time that will also go. So, feel yourself at home while speaking English. It will really support you all over, wherever you go in the world. Now, learning English has become important so that you can travel around the world, you can read the literature, you can mix around with the population. It has become international language. So, follow the 4 core values which I have said: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. You will be a good speaker. Right, thank you. Dear future officers, as a trend, before every important exam, whether it is FCAT, NDA, CDS, and even CGL, and other supportive exams, I always take out a MCQ paper, PDF, for the aspirants. And now the next paper which I will be taking out will be for FCAT, which is in the last week of August. So in first week of August, my MCQ will be there on the net. You can download for a very minimal payment I have kept. And my sincere advice to you is that read the questions very carefully. My question itself generally carries 2 to 3 questions in themselves. It has got answer for 2 to 3 questions. There may be direct questions and there may be indirect questions on those particular topics. Read it carefully. That's why I have taken it out almost a month before. I am very sure it will help you.